Good morning all students. Now we meet again in online learning SMPK Penabur. I hope all of us in a good condition. Today we will learn the new chapter about element, compound, mixture and mixture separation. But our specific theme today just about elements. Standard competence 3.3 Explain concept mixture and pure substance. Physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical changes in our daily life. Because now we learn about elements, we should know that element is one smallest part while we learn about chemistry. Talk about chemistry, we talk about matter. As we know, we live in matter world. Book, pencil, water, air are matters. So, what is matter? Matter is anything which has mass and occupies space. Matter can exist in the form of solid, liquid, and gas. Water can exist in all the three different states: ice, solid state; water, liquid state; and cloud, gas or vapor state. Matter, based on the constituent, can be divided into two groups. The first is pure substance, and the second is mixture. Now we will talk about the first group, about pure substance. What is pure substance? Pure substance is a matter in which all of its parts have constant formation and composition. Pure substance can be formed by similar atoms or similar molecules. The example of pure substance are iron, gold, water, sugar, and etc. Pure substance can be divided into two groups. The first group we call as elements, and the second group we call as compound. Element. In our world, we never realized that iron, gold, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, neon are elements. So, what is element? Element is chemically the simplest substance and hence can be broken down by chemical reaction. In our world, there are 118 elements, as we can see in the periodic table of the elements. Element is symbolized with element symbol to make the element easier to be known and to be different from one element with another element. Element symbol. There are three development written of element symbol. The first is Alchemist era. The second based on John Dalton, and the third based on Berzelius. Alchemist era. From the figure we can see that the element still written using symbols. And from the figure, at the Alchemist era, people still do not understand the difference between element and compound. Based on John Dalton. John Dalton proposed that atom is the smallest part of matter. Every element is composed by similar atoms that the atom from one element is different from atom from another element. Different elements can form a compound. At the right figure, we can see that John Dalton write element still using symbols, that the symbol from one atom is different from another element. Based on John Jacob Berzelius. Berzelius proposed to write element symbol using letters. Nomenclature tata nama based on Berzelius is used in UPEC to write elements. UPEC is abbreviated from International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. From the right figure, we can see that the Berzelius was the creator of the symbol system for the periodic table of elements called chemical nomenclature. Nomenclature to write element symbol based on Berzelius. First, element is symbolized with the first letter from the Latin name of the element, using capital letter. As we can see from the table, the English name hydrogen, Latin name hydrogenium, element symbol H, oxygen for the English name, and the Latin name oxygenium, element symbol O. English name nitrogen, Latin name nitrogenium, element symbol N. English name boron, Latin name boronium, element symbol B. English name fluoride, Latin name fluorine, element symbol F. English name potassium, Latin name kalium, element symbol K. English name uranium, Latin name uranium, element symbol U. English name vanadium, Latin name vanadium, element symbol V. English name wolfram, Latin name wolfram, element symbol W. English name iodine, Latin name iodium, element symbol I. English name carbon, Latin name carbonium, element symbol C. English name sulfur, Latin name sulfur, element symbol S. English name phosphor, Latin name phosphorus, element symbol P. The second, if there are elements which have the first letter, so the symbol of the element is added one more letter that is written using lowercase. Element symbol is taken from the first letter and the second letter of Latin name. English name aluminum, Latin name aluminium, element symbol Al. English name barium, Latin name barium, element symbol Ba. English name bismuth, Latin name bismuthum, element symbol Bi. English name iron, Latin name ferrum, element symbol Fe. English name gold, Latin name aurum, element symbol Au. English name helium, Latin name helium, element symbol He. English name calcium, Latin name calcium, element symbol Ca. English name cobalt, Latin name cobaltum, element symbol Co. English name lithium, Latin name lithium, element symbol Li. English name magnesium, Latin name magnesium, element symbol Mg. English name nickel, Latin name nickel, element symbol Ni. English name neon, Latin name neon, element symbol Ne. English name sodium, Latin name natrium, element symbol Na. Third, if the first letter and the second letter of Latin name are the same, element symbol is taken from the first letter and one of typical letter from Latin name of the element. English name arsenic, Latin name arsenicum, element symbol As. English name cadmium, Latin name cadmium, element symbol Cd. English name chlorine, Latin name chlorium, element symbol Cl. English name chromium, Latin name chromium, element symbol Cr. English name manganese, Latin name mangan, element symbol Mn. English name silver, Latin name argentum, element symbol Ag. English name zinc, Latin name zincum, element symbol Zn. English name lead, Latin name lumber, element symbol Pb. English name mercury, Latin name hydrargyrum, element symbol Hg. Periodic table of elements. As we know from the previous slide, in our world there are 118 elements. The elements is set in periodic table of element. Let's see the periodic table of element. The periodic table of element is set based on increasing atomic number from the left to the right and from above to the bottom. The set of elements from the left to the right we call as period. In periodic table of elements there are 7 periods. The set of elements from above to the bottom we call as group. In periodic table of elements we can see that there are 18 groups. At the first group, first column, except hydrogen, is alkali metal. At the second group, second column, with color of blue light, is alkaline metal. At the third group, until 12th group, with the color of purple, are transition metal. And the elements with green color are lanthanides and actinides. The elements with gray color are other metal element. And the elements with yellow color are metalloids element. The elements with white color are non-metals. And the elements at the 17th group with red color are halogen element. And the last at the 18th group with the black color are noble gas elements. After we have learned about the periodic table of elements, that in the periodic table of elements there are so many types of elements. Because of that, to make it simpler, the elements can be classified. Now we will learn the classification of elements. The elements can be divided into three groups. The first is metal elements. The example of metal elements are sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, aluminum, and etc. The second group is non-metal elements. The example of non-metal elements are nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, neon, and etc. And the third groups are semi-metal or metalloid elements. Metalloid elements has properties between metal and non-metal. The example of metalloid elements are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, and etc. Properties metal and non-metal. The difference between metal and non-metal. First, metal are shiny. Non-metal are shiny. The second, metal are good conductor of heat and electric. Non-metal are insulator of heat and electric. Third, metal have high melting point and boiling points. Non-metal have low melting and boiling points. Fourth, in room temperature, metal usually has solid state, except mercury. Non-metal in room temperature is usually have gas and liquid state. Fifth, metal can be malleable ditempa and loosen. Non-metal can be malleable and loosen. Benefit of metal. First, jewelry. Gold Au aurum, silver Ag argentum, platinum Pt are usually used to make ring, earring, and necklace. Second, home appliance, aluminium Al. Aluminum Al usually used to make a pen. Third, electric wire, copper Cu cuprum usually used to make an electric wire. 4. Liquid thermometer, mercury Hg hydrargyrum is usually used as a filler in a liquid thermometer. Benefit of non-metal. First, breath of living things, oxygen, O2. Second, gas filler of car's tire, nitrogen, N2. Third, gas filler of balloon, helium, He. Fourth, gas filler of colorful light, neon, Ne. Fifth, skin medicine, sulfur, S. Sixth, medicine of goiter, gondok, iodine, I. I think that's all of our materials today about elements. I hope these materials can help you to understand about elements. God bless you.